Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your browsing experience, today I'll show you how to delete a bookmark page on Google Chrome, updated for 2025. Whether you've saved a page by accident or just want to keep your bookmarks organized, these quick steps will help you remove any unwanted bookmarks in seconds. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. If you're already browsing, you're good to go. If not, simply tap the Chrome icon to get started. Next, open any web page. This step isn't strictly necessary for deleting bookmarks, but it helps ensure you're in the main browser window and ready to access the menu. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This is the menu button, and it opens up a list of options for managing your browser. From the menu that appears, tap on Bookmarks. This will take you to a list of all the pages you've saved for later. Here, you'll see your bookmarks organized by folders or as a simple list, depending on how you've set things up. Scroll through your bookmarks to find the one you want to delete. Once you've found it, press and hold on the bookmark. After a moment, you'll see a few new options appear, including another set of three dots next to the bookmark. Tap on these three dots to bring up the Actions menu for that specific bookmark. Here, you'll see the option to delete. Go ahead and tap Delete. That's it. The bookmark is now gone from your list, and you've taken another step toward a cleaner, more organized browser. If you want to remove more bookmarks, just repeat these steps for each one. Keeping your bookmarks tidy not only makes it easier to find your favorite sites, but it also helps your browser run more smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.